In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply promo code in Doordash. If you've got a discount code and want to make sure it actually reduces your total before you pay, follow along and I'll walk you through the exact flow on the app or the website. Start by opening Doordash. You can use the mobile app or head to the website in your browser. Both work the same way for promo codes. Make sure you're logged into your account first. Being signed in is important because codes are tied to your account and your region, and you'll only see the right options when you're logged in. Next, choose your restaurant or store and start adding items to your cart. Pick the food or products you want and keep an eye on your subtotal as you go. Some promo codes require a minimum order amount or only apply to specific categories, so it helps to build your cart with that in mind. Remember that taxes, fees, and tips are usually excluded from discounts, so the promo will reduce the eligible items portion of your total. When you're ready, open your cart by tapping View Cart, then proceed to checkout. This takes you to the Order Review screen where you can confirm your items, delivery details, and payment method. Now, scroll down to find the promo section. Depending on your device and account, it might be labeled Deals and Benefits or Add Promo Code. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's usually near the payment options or the order summary. Enter your code by typing or pasting it into the field. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and the exact uppercase and lowercase letters. Codes can be case-sensitive, and tiny mistakes matter. Watch out for common mix-ups like the letter O and the number 0, and remove any extra spaces if you pasted the code. Tap Apply. You should see the discount appear right away on the checkout screen before you pay. Look for a new line in the summary showing the promo and a reduced total. If nothing changes, recheck the code's spelling and make sure it hasn't expired or been used already. Some codes only work for certain restaurants, order types, or user accounts. Once the discount is visible and everything looks correct, place your order by tapping Place Order. Your promo is now applied and you'll be charged the discounted total shown on the screen. That's it. Open Doordash, add your items, find the promo section at checkout, apply the code, confirm the discount, and place the order. Enjoy the savings.